Let's talk about labor appellate tribunals. While labor appellate tribunals have got their constitution, the government may constitute as many tribunals consisting of one member as it may consider necessary, and where it constitutes more than one tribunal and shall specify their jurisdiction. The member of the tribunal shall be persons who is or who has been a judge or an additional judge of a high court. So, earlier in the previous video, we talked about the constitution of the labor code, how is it established, and now we talk about the constitution of the labor appellate tribunal, how is it formed, how is it established. The constitution does not mean the code of conduct. In fact, the constitution means establishment of labor appellate tribunal, as it was in the previous video for the establishment of the labor code. Now, what are the functions and powers of the labor appellate tribunal? Well, the labor appellate tribunal has got functions and powers as provided in section 47. The tribunal may confirm, set aside, vary, or modify the award or decision or a sentence passed by labor court. The tribunal shall give its decision within 120 days. The tribunal may call for the record of any case in which a labor court has passed an order to satisfy itself as to the correctness, legality, or propriety of such order and may pass such order as it thinks fit. No order shall be passed revising or modifying any order adversely affecting any person without giving such person an opportunity of being heard. The tribunal shall follow such procedures as may be prescribed. The tribunal can punish for contempt of its authority or that of any labor code. Any person convicted and sentenced by the tribunal to imprisonment for any period or pay a fine exceeding rupees 15,000 may appeal to the High Court. A tribunal may transfer an application or proceeding from one labor court to the other labor court. If in an appeal against the order of the labor court directing the reinstatement of a workman, the tribunal makes an order staying the operation of an order of a labor court, the tribunal shall decide within 90 days. If such appeal is not decided with this period, the order of the tribunal shall vacate on the expiration of that period. Next, we get to the topic of factory workers. The law relating to the workers employed in factories is contained in Factories Act 1934. It extends to the whole of Pakistan. It consists of 82 sections. After 18th constitutional amendment, this law has been adopted by all the provinces. Well, Section 2 of the Factory Act 1934 is, provides us the definition of factory workers. Adolescent. Adolescent means a person who has completed his 15th year but has not completed his 17th year. Adult. Adult means a person who has completed his 17th year. Child means child. Child means a person who has not completed his 15th year. Day. Day means a period of 24 hours beginning at midnight. Week. Week means a period of 7 days beginning at midnight on Saturday night. Power. Power means electrical energy and any other form of energy which is made mechanically transmitted and is not generated by human or animal agency. Manufacturing process. Manufacturing process means any process for making, altering, repairing, ornamenting, finishing, or packing or otherwise treating any article or substance with a view to its use, sale, transport, delivery, or disposal, or for pumping oil, water, sewage, for generating and transmitting power. Worker. Worker means a person employed directly through an agency, whether for wages or not, in any manufacturing process or in cleaning any part of the machinery or premises used for manufacturing process, or in any other kind of work whatsoever, incidental, or connected with the subject of the manufacturing process, but does not include any person solely employed in a clerical capacity in any room or place where no manufacturing process is being carried on.